Happy Halloween, budget friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop name down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of October, we have a freebie, which I will link as well. And just in case you missed it, for the month of October, I did join in with a couple of ladies who decided to do a follow train where we are supporting each other, running each other's videos, commenting, and anything like shops and things like that. We're trying to show love and support there as well. I'm super duper pumped. On this Halloween, lovely Halloween morning, I am going to go ahead and cash stuff 20, 21, 22, 23 into my Christmas bingo. Yes, we are back again. Now, mind you, I have been busting butt and then trying to figure out my plan. Like, what am I going to do? Where am I going to get money from? How am I going to make it work? And it's working. And so I'm just going to stick with it. I think that I may not finish. I think I'm not going to finish today because I still have so many cards to pull. But I'm just going to continue on into November. But I kind of want to keep the same momentum that I have. I can ramble on, but we have a couple things we've got to do. That's my bingo card, right? So we need that. I also need to go ahead and pull out my IOU slip because I owe myself money from the game last time. So you'll know that sometimes I owe myself money, especially since I'm playing this way where I've got the extra cards. So we do need change. That's what I was getting to. So we have, okay, we just need 20. That's already dollars. Silynthia. Okay. So let's figure this out. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Maybe I should do, let's see, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Okay, so now the 23 is there, and we will double check that because I'm a mess. All right, so we're going to add in the 20 here. And then we're going to put this money away. And by we, I mean you as well. All right, so let's make sure we have our 23 here. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so we do have our $23 here. And hopefully I'm in frame. I tried to set my boundaries so I know what I'm doing and where I'm, supposed to be putting money. So we want to first start off with paying ourselves that IOU. And then we can color in our $3. So we have the $2 there. And it was this sucker here that we got stomped on last time. I don't mind an IOU if it's not too crazy. I mean, do I want them? No. I want to be able to clear out the game and move on to the next week, not owing myself. But let's jump right in. Let's pull the paper clips off of, these are the bonus numbers. If I pull a 1, 2, or 3, then I pull an extra card. And these are the numbers that are remaining. So let's turn it upside down so I don't know what I'm going to pull. And let's just start with G1. So, okay, right out the gate, $7. Heavy hitter. Okay, let's get that out the way. Let's get it out the way. 5, 6, 7. And we'll move on here to, so I'm just going to go in order instead of shuffling them every single time. Let's see. Oh, my hands are so dry. Winter's coming. I can totally tell. I won $6. What? Okay. I'm supposed to be paying attention too. If I get a bingo, I'm supposed to give myself $1. So this one will be a double bingo. Okay, but let's pay the $6 before I get sidetracked and then I don't remember what I'm working on. In 5, $2. 1, 2. Okay, this is nice. Okay. All right, so let's take a look here. We have a double bingo here, a single bingo here, and a double here. No, is that a double? No, this one is my double. Okay, I'm seeing double. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's see. G4, $1. Oh no, that leaves big numbers. Oh, we needed that one later. Maybe I should have kept shuffling them. Let's see. B3. Oh, how much do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5. We finally did it. I kind of cheated. Now that I look back, I realized I was supposed to pull one of the bonus cards when I pulled the smaller numbers. We're just going to pretend like I followed my own rules and did what I was supposed to do, because clearly I didn't, but that left me no IOU. So we're going to go ahead and move forward with our day. So this is $23, but we're going to go ahead and add it into... See, make your rules and then you don't follow them, Silynthia. Man, I am not all the way there, you guys. I'm just not. Okay. All right. Well, that happened. We're going to go ahead and add these funds, see what our total is today. And I'm just going to keep checking away at it, and hopefully I can get some of this done. I really like that I had the money come in to take care of it as much as I did right now. So if I can't get back to it right away, it's okay. But if I can, you'll see me again back at it trying to complete the savings challenge. So we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. I have $93. 90. I have $93, you guys, saved to go towards my PTO. And I wanted to take as many weeks as I possibly can. At this point, I'm just hoping to try to get to the 2-week mark. And if it's possible at all to get to 3 weeks, I will work on it. I have time to figure it out, but not as much time as I'd like. But we have... This cash is going to be going to that PTO, so we're making such good progress. All right, so we need to, yeah, we'll just shut it down here. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you're interested in this Christmas bingo, it is in our shop. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to get a direct link together. That way you can just go straight to it. If you're interested in playing this Christmas bingo as well, I want you to enjoy yourself and do that too. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.